Student, welcome in learning looping statement. So as I have promised you all कि we will continue with for loop. So I am welcoming you all in the series of learning looping statement. Now we are going to learn for loop. Student, for loop is a looping statement, and as looping statement work, repetition work, for loop also work for repetition purpose. For loop, as I have told, for is a keyword, to make sure कि you have to write in small letter. Student, for loop makes a great difference between Python and other programming language. Yes, student, if you have learned 2-3 programming language and you are not knowing about Python, so I am damn sure कि you will going to face a different little bit difficulties for loop, because in various programming language syntax of for loop is same, but in Python it is totally different. Before learning for loop, you have to learn about range function. What is range function? When you will know about range function, then you will be able to learn the for loop. Okay, student? So what is use of range? I am going to explain. Student, range is a function of Python. Function, it contains 3 data. First it is yes, second it is yes, and third it is yes. Student, 3 years as a parameter of range. 3 years as a parameter of range. How it works? First S is start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. Second S is stop. And third S it is step. S-T-E-P. Yes, student. Range having 3 parameter S, S, and S. And student, these two, first start and this, these are optional. Yes, student, I am repeating, these are optional. If you are going to make it blank, make it blank. If you are not writing this one, a default value works. What is this default value and what is all thing, I am going to explain. Range 3, yes, it containing start, stop, step. Student, 3 example and you will understand. Suppose if you have written range 1, 5, 1, how it will work? So this one is going to treated as start, means starting value is 1. Stop means you have to stop before this. And this one is the updation, this one is the step. So if you are going to write range, so first it will reach here and start with 1. Then it will comes to here and it will check कि am I less than to this? If this condition is true, so work will happen with this one. Or if you have written print which will display output, print range 1, 5, 1. So first it will print 1. Why it will print 1? First it will take 1. It will goes to here 1 less than 5 true. So 1 less than 5 true. So 1 will print. And after printing, it comes to here and it will change. First value is 1 and 1 will add. So it become 2. Again it will come here. It will check 2 less than 5 true. Again 2 will be print. After printing, it comes to here and 1 will add in this one. So it become 3. ਫਿਰ again it will check 3 less than 5. Yes. So 3 will print and after printing 3, it comes to here and again 1 will add. 1 will add, it become 4. 4 is less than 5. Yes. 4 will print and again it will come here and 1 added. Then it become 5. 5 less than 5? No. So output is 1, 2, 3, 4. It means it will start, it will step and it will step to one starting point and finishing point is 5. It will check कि I am less than this. So if you are going to write a loop which will run till 10 times and you are going to start with 1, so you have to write here 11. Okay, just watch this video, pause it and think about your doubts. Again repeat this video, definitely your doubt will clear. And student, another form of range is, if you are going to write range 5, how it will work? So student, I have tell कि this one and this one is optional, this one is optional. Start, default value of start is 0. Yes student, if you are going to write 5, it means this 5 is this one, the stop. Start and step is missing here. If you have written 5, so by default start will 0 and by default start is 1. So it means if you have written 5, it another means that you are writing range 0, 5, 1. From where this 0 has come? Default value of start. From where this 1 has come? Default value of step. And 0, it is less than 5, 1, it is less than 5, 2, less than 5, 3, less than 5, 4, less than 5, and 5, not less than 5. So output of this range will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Student, I hope it is going to clear. Something, if you are having something doubt, write it in comment. I promise you, I will clear all your doubt. And please subscribe my channel. I hope कि you like all these explanation. Just go through with range, make from yourself some points and all your doubt will clear. Thank you. Good luck.